Hello and welcome, I'm Nvidia42 and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Freesync or Gsync on a Nvidia graphics card on Windows. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my wallpaper. What I'm going to do is right click that. I'm on Windows 10, so you will have to click show more options and then you click on Nvidia control panel. If you're on Windows 7 still, you can just right click and choose Nvidia control panel. This will give you like all the different settings that you have for the video card. So like the 3D performance, which one you prefer. Not much of this actually does anything, but if you choose change resolution, you can set your resolutions and stuff like that, and you can choose the refresh rates and stuff like that as well, which is pretty good. If you have a 144 Hertz, you can set the preference for these screens on this, and that's how that works. So the screen that I'm on right now is a 144 Hertz 1440p screen with Freesync, not Gsync. So it says here, set up Gsync. So you're just going to click on that. And as you see, I've already done it, but it will come up. So I've got three screens. I've got my, I've got a Dell screen, which is this one, which is my portrait screen, which is a 1080p screen. I've got this one which is an LU2 BR55, which is my Samsung, I think. And then I've got this one here, which is this current screen, which is my 144 Hertz Acer screen. It says up here, enable Gsync, Gsync compatible. Gsync compatible basically is just Freesync. So what you want to do is you want to tick this box for the screen that you're talking about, and then click enabled for windowed and full screen mode, and click the other screen, enable Gsync compatible, enable for windowed and full screen mode. And now you don't have to use VSync in games because it should hopefully automatically be working okay. You might have to tick this box as well. It will say selected display is not validated as Gsync compatible, which just means that they didn't want to pay the extra in order to get Nvidia to sign it off as Gsync compatible. But in most senses and most things, it is actually very much the same thing. And yeah, you can also do the test UFO thing. I don't know if this actually does completely do the test for this. But yeah, this is kind of what it's like on my side anyway. So you can see down here, this is Freesync. So this is still getting slight tearing. Hopefully this shows up. Move all apps and browser windows to primary monitor 1. Sync failure. Well, that's interesting. First is disabled. But I mean, it's all pretty, oh god. Yeah, you can really, tell with that, can't you? Yeah, either way, this is how you turn on Freesync and Gsync. If you need any more advice on that, let me know in the comments below and I will see what I can do. I don't really know if I like my current screen layout and my setup and stuff, but it does work pretty well. So, I mean, there is that. If you like this video, this is my first one of the year, so yeah, leave a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.